Hey yo,
It's like a gun for a swing.
dunk on him now, I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming up the
What you mean, say? You thank God Kartel never breed me. Kartel could have breed me. Because it was a destined for Kartel to breed me. You know, say him breed me upon my birthday. Him breed me upon my birthday. I'm just take a morning after pill. Wanna feel me a pussy? But tell him to just come make a war it out. Wanna tag him. Tag him and tell him say for hurry up and come. The baby head want water. Remember, you know? Are you go stir up trouble over the air, you know, when you go sing, but me start fuck back the ex-girl there. You chat to bumbuckler much, man. Cause you know, me make me
feel. Check. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes on Inside with Nando. Yo, bro, Lisa Hype out here losing it in front of our eyes, bro. And honestly speaking, brother, she needs some help, bro. She's mentally losing it out here. She's spazzing out. I call all sort of people name. I involve all sort of people name. So I have some clippings here for you guys that I want to show you guys with. Oh, Lisa Hyper go on the internet, bro. Jano, Jaja God, she need to go to Bellevue, or she need to go back to her institution, bro. Or she needs some medication, she needs some juke, bro. Because honestly, bro, Lisa, I lose it, and we all know that mental illness is a thing. It needs a lot of attention because in Jamaica, people don't really take mental health that serious. And over here in the US, we take it so serious. But to see Lisa Hype down there losing it, bro, and people are say, yo, they don't feel as if she's mentally ill. But, bro, she's mentally ill because as you can see in some of these clips, bro, that I'm showing you, bro, she's losing it literally. And we're going to make you guys hear the clippings, them, and hear all of the bang around them, she are going on the internet. Jaja God. Jaja God, mental illness, bro. If she was my family, bro, I would take her off the social media thing and bring her back to the institution of mental health, bro, so she can get some care. But then again, bro, she may fight off me, or she may fight off her family if I was a family member of her. But bro, Lisa, I need some help. She over here, I say Vibes Kartel did breed her, and she'd end up have to go take a morning after for dash of the belly and all sort of things. She called nothing name, she called Dexta that name, brother. Lisa, I need some help, bro. People, check out this clip with Lisa Hype. Jaja God, it's crazy.
What you mean, say? You thank God Kartel never breed me. Kartel could have breed me. Because it was a destined for Kartel to breed me. You know, say him breed me upon my birthday. Him breed me upon my birthday. I'm just take a morning after pill. Wanna feel me a pussy? Me I tell ask you if you don't feel me a the 25th of November him breed me. And me did a consider if I for carry the pitney or not. I'm gonna make up my mind in a 2 days and go to the pharmacy at Stony Hill and buy a morning after pill and get rid of that bumbuckler. That alone I me a carry pitney for. A 10, 12 pitney me a have for that. Fuck don't know. After you blood clot miracle, you send blow and bumbuckler that pitney. But think me can forgive you for that, dog. And you admit to me say you me like you're not done. Think you're done. And me are the done.
You see that, bro? You see that? And people really, you see where I'm going with Lisa Hype, brother, and people really look aside. I feel like, and I said this girl now lose it, or this girl not insane, bro. Even though whatever she may have say may be true or not, but at the same time, bro, you see how she has spaz out continuously, bro. She's spiraling, bro, and people stand aside and watch, brother. I watch. Do man say I got carry 12 pitney for that part. Dexta that, brother. She all say Chronic Law or Newman, dog. Jano, bro. I mean, I play the clippings for the people so you can see with Lisa Hype, brother. People, this lady need help. She's going through a mental situation, a mental dysfunction, bro.
My next husband, Akim, one labas. One labas. One labas. Man is my light and my salvation. Full of man like netball. Full of man like netball.
Bro, while watching this episode, I'm laughing, but at the same time, it's a whole serious matter, bro. This is Elisa I've out here is making a mockery of herself. Like, literally, she's past the level of a sane person, bro. She gone. Literally gone, dog. She need her medication, as Dexta up say. Our family them need to go get her help. Cause she's literally out here losing it, brother. And we're getting so much content to post with her doing this, but at the same time, it's a serious matter, bro. Literally a serious matter. Like, we shouldn't be standing aside watching people go through stuff like this, but at the same time, bro, they don't need the help. They don't want the help. That's just it.
Yeah, man, no, just to see you everywhere me go. Pull up. Your peace, government badness. Wanna know where Andrew come from? Big up Tower Hill. Get some man up the wickedest. You better stop show off and come give me what I want, cause I might geek way. So government badness. Nobody cannot cross it. I'm just might fly go New York go get chronic law it. Stop show off yourself. Stop.
Bro, Lisa, I've come like she turning her whole monster in a dancehall because nobody can give her no talk. As we see, she's passing out and everything, but nobody can give her no talk because she alone badness back of that she a push, even though her meds not even straight. But here we have her at talk about nothing, say nothing call her and I tell herself easy and done her for short in him, but it's like she not done, so she tell nothing, say she run up nothing and I'm mad and she tell nothing, say yo. You can't tell me nothing. If you want back down, you can back down. But me nah back down. And the rest, so she say, yo, Shorty and her family no better than her. So, bro, Lisa Hype is on a whole another level with the mindset and the whole badness. Even though she's not a sane person at this very moment as we speak, but she a chant a bag of iron for some people, especially Shorty, bro. Here what she say another video, people.
A while ago you call me and say my career I go good and my song hard drive bad and whatever. Zine, you call me and I say me for just focus on my career and me feel low off a Shorty name. If you afraid of Shorty family them, me no clad afraid of her family them. Me no afraid of her obia working auntie named Angela. Tell Shorty, me tell you say, if you go out and say that, me fi stop, tell Shorty fi allow me too. Zine, tell her fi allow me too. Tell her auntie fi stop walk the obia them where them a walk pa me. Because Shorty family them not bad like my family. You hear me I tell you? You know my family nothing you don't know nothing about me, no. Kartel know about me. Kartel know my family them. Adisha Palmer know my family them. You don't know me nothing. You don't know nothing about me. What the clout you call my phone a while ago. If you save yourself, save yourself. If you afraid of them, afraid of them. Me not afraid of them. I tell you no say me now come back out, come talk nothing, you know. You hear what me I say to you? I tell you no say me now, I tell you no say me I focus on my business and my career. Now what you do a while ago, you should do it. Furthermore, I talk to Kartel liar. Kartel liar and my liar. Kartel is still my manager, if you never know. Nobody true him silent and him not say no. Him just a wait till me calm down. You understand what me I say? I know my fault why Adi love me more than Shorty. Zine, tell her auntie, don't Angela for stop walk the obia where them a walk for me. Tell them that.
Jaja people, when you see how Lisa Hype a chat iron for Shorty, Jaja got to come like to the wood because a Shorty and Lisa Hype sleep with Kartel, yo, the jealousy and the feelings with them one another. But it's funny how not one of them not there with the man, but yet still them both up on the media are go on and on. And Lisa Hype with this bag of mental illness. She need to give the internet a break. Yo, Lisa Hype, come on for the internet, bro, G. But people you notice, bro, every week there's one dancehall artist who have the media away. Last week we had Vibes Cartel. The week after that, I think it was Beanie Man. And now this week we have Lisa Hyper gone and on with the media. And Bro, Lisa, I need to give the media a break with all this mental illness which are going. But you know, when time people mentally ill enough, what's them a big people, you can't tell them nothing, unless you go restrain them and take with all of the necessary equipment, them the phone and all of them things there, and stop them from doing all of them stuff. But at the same time, bro, Jaja Lisa, I need to give the internet a break. So here we have Lisa Ive talking about her alleged baby father, Dexta, that, or I should say her husband, as she stated on Jay Let's Be Honest podcast. So she had burn a fire upon him and she say, yo, yeah, waste man. And she said the baby head want wash off car. And then she said something about him singing a song about him start sex back him ex-girlfriend and all that I think. So people, listen what she have to say about this whole thing she and Dexta.
But tell him for just come make war it out. We not tag him. Tag him and tell him say for hurry up and come. The baby head want water. Remember, are you go stir up trouble what the air, when you go sing, but me start for by the ex-girl there. You chat to bumbuckler much, man. Cause you know, make me feel good sexually. And then you say, me chat too much. You think the boss not hear you song them? Think the boss not listen? You think the boss not listen, hombre? Start up by the head, cause you know me make me feel good sexually. Look here now, look what happened now, look what happened, look what happened now. Right now I hide me and fear hide. A joke. You know what? I don't talk like. I don't talk.
People, tell me what you think with this whole thing with Lisa Ive, because as I say, she's spiraling all over the media. But Jano, Lisa Ive, yo, me have to laugh at the same time, because Lisa Ive funny on a different level still now. Because, bro, Lisa Ive put the camera to her belly and shows the baby a kick. Bro, Jaja God. Jano, yo, people tell me what you think about this whole thing with Lisa Ive, because Lisa Ive was something else, at the same time. As she stated, it's her own marketing strategy, but at the same time, bro, people take mental health things serious. Literally, take it serious because this is not a good sign. And as a music entertainer, as Lisa IB, this is not a good sign. This is not the best way to go about marketing. But people who don't know already now, vibes and insight with Nando already now. Just let me know anything and make sure for like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. I'm out. Peace.